Keeping air clean in productive industrial work sites is a real challenge. Moisture, aerosols, dirt particles all pose a risk to the air system and end product if left untreated. Yet this air must be produced reliably with high energy efficiency and at a low cost. That's where heat of compression dryers come into play. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The world first MDG heat of compression drum dryer from Atlas Copco sets a new benchmark in desiccant air dryer technology. Now, it removes moisture from compressed air with a stable, guaranteed pressure dew point of -40 degrees Celsius at almost zero power consumption, while eliminating system failures, production downtime and costly repairs. The intelligent unit has no heating element, no blower, and there is no loss of compressed air. As the heat of compression is used to drive the desiccant, power consumption stays below 120 watts. Now, compared to traditional pressure swing absorption type desiccant drying technology, the MDG's operational cost is literally near zero. It can also be integrated into any existing oil-free two-stage compressor, and the compact, robust design with fewer moving parts means less maintenance is required than traditional desiccants and refrigerated air dryers. So, why wouldn't you? For more information, visit atlascopco.com/en, then -au, or call 1800 023 469. And thanks for watching.